We came up with a few proposals, a few loopholes to be filled. But before I forget, the DPP makes the recommendation that we need to have a witness protection law. Uganda doesn't have a witness protection law. And some people, victims of torture, witnesses to acts of torture, may fail to come out to testify against perpetrators for fear of retribution. So the committee agrees with them that we need to have a witness protection law. It's not impossible to get witnesses, it only makes it difficult. So it will be one of the aids in the arsenal available to prosecutors to protect witnesses and therefore encourage more people to come forward, attend court, and be protected.
Back that every security officer in uniform must bear a name tag. So that name tag is not for decoration. The name tag is meant for you to identify the officer in case he infringes on your rights. Say, for example, tortures a suspect. You are able to identify this person because you have seen the name tag. You may not know the rank because you're a civilian, but at least you will be able to know the name. And the deploying officer who deployed this officer on that particular operation on that specific day will be able to know the list, because he has the list of all people whom he has deployed for that operation. So he will be able to know who has violated whose right. But it's not to say that police are trained to torture or security services are trained to torture. No, they are not. They are supposed to respect the rights of the citizens, the rights of the suspects, the rights of the persons that they are apprehending. But the challenge comes in if the person being apprehended or arrested is resisting arrest in a violent manner, attracting the arresting officer to also apply a certain reasonable force to apprehend this person. And in the course of that apprehension, maybe this person might fall down and hurt himself. And when that happens, that cannot be translated to mean that this person was tortured by the arresting officer, but by himself because he fell down. But if you notice that this person deliberately uses, say, a butt of the gun or a baton to inflict pain or torture on this person, then this arresting officer can be taken as an individual to face the law. That's why there are disciplinary cases of security forces. We have seen these disciplinary courts, specific security officers being subjected to disciplinary action. Some have ended up losing their jobs. Some have ended up being sentenced to serve a sentence for torturing a suspect.